understand the next option, which is weighted by category. So now here what we have to do is first we need to create some categories, some grade categories, and then we will assign weights to those categories. So I'm going to select weighted by category option now, and let's first of all add some grade categories. So for that we click on add grade category. Now here what you just have to specify is name of the grade category and the corresponding percentage. So I'm going to create two grade categories. The first is assignment, and let's say I would like to give 70% weightage to the assignment, remaining is 30%. I add another grade category and I would like to give it as test, and let's say 30% is for test. So these are my two grade categories. After this, I'm going to click on save. Now, as of now, you'll be able to see that nothing, no grades have shown up, and that is because we did not actually assign any grade categories anywhere. For that, what we need to do is we need to modify these individual assignments and tests and assign them to a particular grade category. So let's see how this works. First, let's go to test 1, and we have the option right here to edit it. So I click on edit. Now here you will observe that grade category has been added. So let's add it to the test category. So this is test. Click on save. So now this belongs to the test category. You'll see that the overall grade has begun to change as soon as we start adding this. Again, I go to assignment 2, click on edit, and now I'm going to change its category to assignment. Click on save. Again, I go to assignment 1, and here I change the grade category to assignment and I click on save. So now you can see that the final weighted uh, the grade that you get is 79.25%. How this has been calculated is by a simple formula. What has been done is it first of all calculates the sum of the all those assignments which belong to the assignment category. So that will be 90 plus 15. After that, you get the sum and you multiply it with 70. That was the weight that was assigned. So this is like 70%. And finally, to take the average, you need to divide by 120. This is then added to 3 multiplied by 30 divided by 5. So after this mathematics that you do, you get 79.25%. So this is the final grade of the student using the weighted criteria grading. So for that, if there is some assignment or test which you would not like to use for grading, you can just leave it as it is and it will not be used for calculating the final grade. So this is how weighted category works. One final thing that I would like to share with you is about how can you actually selectively give assignments to students. So for example, you have a project and you would like to create groups, and let's go to classwork and let's try to create one simple assignment. Now what I would like to do is I would like to assign separate assignments to separate students. So this is, let's say, project for group 1. Now, what you just have to do is here, instead of selecting all students, let's say I club these two into one group. I'm going to just uh, write the instructions and add the assignment here and click on assign. With this, what happens is that this particular assignment will only go to this particular group.